Hello and welcome to Automotive Trade Center. Today we will be looking at a brand new feature that will help you with the bidding. It is called Bid Indicator and you can use it once for every car. Let's see how it works. First we can choose a car. Let's go to Athlon in this case, for example. Let's choose this car and here is where we can request bid indication. We put in our bid, let's say in this case this amount, and then click request bid indication and then click enter. Now the system has given us an answer. Our bid is in the top 3 bidders, so it's a very good sign. Also, if you want to see other options or choices, you can click on information and you will see what the green color means, orange, red, and gray, depending on how big or how small your bid is. Of course, this feature you can only use once for every car, but the bid assistant, you can use it every time you'd like. This is it for now. I wish you very good luck with all your bids. Bye.